Did you know your gut does more than just process food? Recent research shows that the gut microbiome, a diverse community of microorganisms in your intestines, plays a crucial role in your immune system and mental health. An imbalance in this microbiome can lead to symptoms like fatigue, digestive issues, skin problems, and autoimmune disorders. Additionally, there is a strong link between gut health and mental well-being. Those with gut issues often face increased anxiety, poor sleep, and depression. To support a healthy gut, consider adding probiotics and fermented foods to your diet, staying hydrated, and managing stress. The gut microbiome consists of around 200 different types of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. While some of these can be harmful, many are vital for good health. Research indicates that a varied gut microbiome may help lower the risk of conditions such as diabetes, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and psoriatic arthritis. Keeping your gut balanced is key to overall well-being. In this video, we explore the signs of an unhealthy gut and discuss effective natural ways to improve your gut health. Signs of an unhealthy gut and natural ways to improve it. Modern life can impact your gut health in several ways. Stress, lack of sleep, a diet full of processed and sugary foods, and frequent antibiotic use can all disrupt your gut microbiome. This can lead to problems with your immune system, hormones, weight, and overall risk of illness. If your gut isn't healthy, you might experience certain symptoms. Here are some common signs to look out for. Unexpected weight changes. If you notice you're gaining or losing weight without changing your diet or exercise routine, it could be a sign of an unhealthy gut. When your gut is out of balance, it can affect how well your body absorbs nutrients, controls blood sugar, and stores fat. Weight loss might happen if your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly due to issues like small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. On the other hand, weight gain could be due to insulin resistance or increased inflammation. Upset stomach issues like gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all be signs of an unhealthy gut. When your gut is balanced, it can process food and get rid of waste more easily, leading to fewer of these symptoms. Sleep issues or constant fatigue. Research suggests that an imbalance in gut bacteria might be connected to poor sleep, including interrupted sleep and shorter sleep duration, which can lead to ongoing fatigue. Although the exact cause isn't fully understood, it seems to be related to inflammation, metabolism, and mental health. Autoimmune conditions. Many studies have shown a link between the gut and the immune system. An unhealthy gut can cause widespread inflammation and disrupt how the immune system works. This might lead to autoimmune diseases, where the body mistakenly attacks its own cells and organs, thinking they are harmful invaders. Food intolerances. Food intolerances happen when your body has trouble digesting certain foods. This is different from a food allergy, which is when the immune system reacts to specific foods. Research suggests that food intolerances, like lactose intolerance, might be linked to an imbalance of gut bacteria. This can make it hard to digest certain foods, leading to symptoms such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, stomach pain, and nausea. Some studies also suggest that food allergies might be connected to gut health. Skin irritation. Skin conditions like psoriasis might be linked to the types of bacteria in your gut. Having fewer beneficial bacteria can affect your immune system and skin health. High sugar diet. Eating a diet high in processed foods and added sugars can reduce the amount of good bacteria and diversity in your gut. Research suggests that consuming too much sugar can increase inflammation throughout the body, which can lead to various diseases, including cancer. If you eat a lot of sugar, your gut health might suffer. Natural ways to improve your gut health. Focus on fiber. Fiber is essential for a healthy gut. To increase your fiber intake, eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes. Most people don't get the recommended 28 grams of fiber per day, which is important for gut health. Fiber helps keep you regular by adding bulk to your stool and preventing constipation. It can also lower the risk of colorectal cancer by preventing stool from staying too long in your colon. Certain types of fiber, especially soluble fiber, which partially dissolves into a gel-like substance, nourish the good bacteria in your gut. This helps these beneficial bacteria grow and outnumber the harmful ones. A high-fiber diet promotes the growth of these good bacteria, which produce short-chain fatty acids that support colon health and reduce cancer risk. Because fiber can cause gas and bloating, it's best to increase it slowly. Start with an extra 5 grams of fiber each day, about half a cup of oats or half an avocado, and gradually add more. Collagen-boosting foods. Eating foods that boost collagen, like bone broth and salmon skin, might be good for your overall health and gut health. A 2021 study showed that collagen supplements help the gut microbiome in mice, but more research is needed to confirm these benefits for humans. You can also support your body's natural collagen production by eating foods like citrus fruits, broccoli, meat, eggs, and nuts. Garlic. A 2019 study in rodents found that garlic could increase the diversity of gut bacteria and improve gut health. A small 2018 study with 49 people showed that aged garlic extract also increased beneficial bacteria in the gut. However, more research is needed to fully understand garlic's effects on human gut health. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, which are good for your gut. Examples include kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, and kefir. Research suggests that eating these foods may help improve your gut microbiome. Get moving a few times a week. Exercise benefits more than just your muscles. It also supports your digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements. You don't need intense workouts. Even light activities like brisk walking or cycling for 30 to 90 minutes, 3 to 5 times a week, can boost the variety of good bacteria in your gut. This is a sign of a healthy gut. If fitting in several 30-minute sessions feels too much, start with 15 minutes a few times a week doing something you enjoy, like biking or dancing. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress, which is good for your gut health. Mix up your plant foods. Adding variety to your plant-based meals not only keeps things interesting but also benefits your gut health. Eating a diverse range of plant foods, over 30 types a week, can lead to a more varied and healthy gut microbiome compared to eating fewer types. Different plant fibers and phytochemicals are fermented by different bacteria, helping a wider range of beneficial strains thrive. For a healthier gut, aim to include a mix of colorful fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes in your diet. Reduce stress. For a healthier gut, stress can significantly impact your gut health, leading to issues like diarrhea or constipation. The gut-brain connection means that stress can disrupt normal digestive functions, causing pain and discomfort. Over time, chronic stress might harm your gut microbiome and weaken the gut lining, allowing harmful substances to enter your bloodstream. To support your gut health, try to reduce stress through daily practices like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. These activities can help calm both your mind and your digestive system. Remember, an unhealthy gut can also affect your mood, so addressing both mental and digestive health with the help of a therapist and a GI doctor may be beneficial. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your gut health. Studies show that even a couple of nights of poor sleep can negatively affect your gut microbiome, reducing beneficial bacteria and increasing less friendly ones. People with digestive issues like IBS or inflammatory bowel disease often see worsening symptoms with inadequate sleep. The connection between sleep and gut health may be due to the body's stress response to sleep deprivation, which can increase inflammation. On the other hand, good sleep quality is linked to a healthier and more diverse gut microbiome. To support your gut, aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night and practice good sleep habits, like avoiding screens before bed. Stay well hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for gut health. It helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and prevents constipation, especially when you eat a lot of fiber-rich plant foods. If your urine is dark, or if you feel thirsty or have dry skin, you might need to drink more water. Hydration also helps with acid reflux. Being well hydrated ensures you produce enough saliva, which aids in digesting food and protecting your esophagus from acid. Keep a refillable water bottle handy and sip regularly to support your gut health. The bottom line: the human gut is a complex system that plays a big role in overall health. Though research is still developing, it's clear that a healthy gut can benefit various aspects of well-being. A well-functioning gut supports a strong immune system, heart health, and brain health. It can also improve mood, enhance sleep quality, and aid in digestion. Additionally, a healthy gut may help in preventing certain cancers and autoimmune diseases. Making positive changes to your lifestyle and diet can improve your gut health and, in turn, boost your overall health. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Wishing you good health, wealth and happiness.